Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to fix the problem of call not ringing on WhatsApp. So first of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now over here on my WhatsApp, I'm not receiving any ringtones. Now to solve this, I'll tap on this WhatsApp and over here on the top you'll find these three dots. Tap on this and go to settings, and now over here to get notification of call, tap on this notifications and now scroll down and over here you can find this calls. Over here you can see here is ringtone. Tap on this and now you can see it's silent. That means over here if it is on silent, I will not get any notification of call. Now I'll choose anyone from here. I'll go with this life's good, and now tap on this OK. And after that here is vibration as well. You can just turn this to short, long or anyone you want. After doing this, we'll get the ring of our call in WhatsApp. So in this way we can fix call not ringing on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.